Hello, I'm Eric Paulson. I'm an operations manager with Medic Ambulance, and I'd like to welcome you to our newly renovated Sacramento Division. We're super excited to be expanding and moving into this new location as our company grows in the Sacramento area. From Sac Republic games, Sac State football, high school football, 911 scene calls, and inter-facility transports. I'd like to thank you for watching the Diamond in the Rough series, and stay tuned for more videos from Medic Ambulance.